right, guys, so Brielle said okay to the race. You ready? You ready? Go ahead, hunk it out. Go from 20 miles an hour. Hold up. All right, that's good. You ready? Hunk it, hunk it. Bye-bye. Did we say bye-bye? We say bye-bye, Brielle. Oh, she tried. So there y'all go, guys. That was y'all race, man. It wasn't even close. And I'm actually not even running my tune right now. So I'm gonna ask her, I'm gonna get a after race interview with her and see what she had it in. But I had mine in sport mode, just no AC. And I'm not even tuned. We both have V6 engines. My truck is probably not two times, a lot more heavy than hers, probably about 1,000 pounds, I'm sure. What was your thoughts on the race?
First of all, you didn't give an endpoint.
Well, I mean, I didn't. I was gonna say go to 60. We was running out of space.
Okay.
But when did you let off? I was already gone.
No, when I got to the construction, because I thought it was a board in the road. That's why I slowed down.
But I still was pulling away from you though.
You didn't. Okay,
So,
you did.
hold on. So are you surprised?
I'm fighting you.
No, I say you're not surprised. Are you surprised? She petty. So you surprised how fast Red is?
No.
You're not surprised? That's not even with my tune on it. That's just regular. That's not. I'm just saying you not surprised.
I have the windows down.
You had your AC on?
Yeah.
Did you put it in sport mode?
Yep.
Oh, you did? I was in
the
sport mode.
windows down, I'm AC on.
I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That was a quick race that we said we was gonna give y'all. I wish we I know it's like almost what? How many months later? Way later.
I said years.
I wish we had more runs to where I could like give her a lead and then catch up, try to catch you, you know, things like that. But anyway, we're actually on lunch to go pick up the truck. So the Jeep just can't run with the F150. It just won't happen. You had fun? You like? I don't know who car this is, but every day I come outside now, it's been like this. Windows down, trunk open for like the last 2 or 3 days. It's kind of crazy. Like, just the other side now, but usually the trunk is open and all windows are down. But anyway, what's up everybody, it's your boy Q, you know who and I am. Oh, I messed that up. Let's try it again. I am back. Baby, there we go with another video. I just hit my brim on my hat. Right now, we're on our way to see if we can get this truck inspected. He is due for inspection next month. I'm not sure about y'all, but now with everything going on with this COVID-19 stuff, man, it takes a lot longer now to get dressed and get ready. When you're going, getting in the car, make sure you got gloves on, make sure you got a scarf on. I got a bandana around my neck, put it on my nose. You know, get in my car, hand sanitizer, just a lot right now. But anyway, as you guys know, I have illegal tint on my windows by the state of Texas standards. I personally think it looks great. Not only that, the main thing to me is it hides valuables in your car or truck, man. Like thieves, they're gonna come by. Oh, there's a cop that just pulled out up there too. Whew, glad that wasn't me. Anyway, thieves, they're gonna come by, look in your car, truck, and vehicle, whatever, and they're gonna try to steal something. If they see something valuable laying around, they're gonna try to steal something. Now, you shouldn't leave stuff laying on leaving stuff in your truck or car. You know, don't leave anything like your purse on the front seat or anything like that, right? Just doesn't make sense. I'm gonna show y'all this cop right here. Let's see if he even sees or turns around when he sees me with my tent. There he goes. Yeah, so he didn't even look twice. So anyway, where I stay right now, it's not that big of a deal. I haven't really seen cops being picky about it. Some places they are, but you know, we go keep crossing our fingers. Yeah, you shouldn't leave valuables in your car, you know, anyway, because thieves gonna walk by, they're gonna see it. So tint hides and conceals valuables in your car. Most thieves, they want something quick, fast, and they can get away with. If they can't see what's in there, they're like, I don't know what's in there, maybe nothing, I'm not gonna waste my time. So it helps hide valuables. So I get it from like a law enforcement standpoint. You know, you want the officers to be safe, and you know, when the officer walks into a blacked out tinted vehicle, you can't really see what the driver or the person inside the vehicles are doing. So, you know, it kind of is a safety factor for law enforcement. I completely get it. I respect law enforcement to the fullest. It's definitely not a job anybody can do. Yeah, but as me being a citizen, I would also like to protect my own valuables, and tint does that by concealing it. I mean, I know it may sound crazy for you all, you know, you may not understand it. Trust me, it does. And also, here in Texas in the summertime, it gets super hot, man. And you know, they have tint where it can block out heat, and that's just another positive, keeping your car cool and not getting your interior all melted and hot and, you know, crap like that. But it has its benefits besides just looks. But hey, I mean, where I live, the law is 20%. Y'all got to follow the law. Nobody's above the law. And that's that. So I'm gonna pull up here to this shop, see if I can get inspected with this tint. I may have to pay for it, and I'm willing to do that. That's okay. And yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. And we're pulling up now, and we'll see how it goes. So he just said give him insurance card. I just want to ask him, like, hey man, I'm be honest with you, I know my tint is dark. You know, how does that gonna fare? I kind of want to roll my windows down and see what he says, but we just gonna let it be, man. I'm just roll with it and let's go. Let's see what happens. I'll tell y'all, this tint is dark. It's crap. I might have to get this taken off, man. That is way too dark for my liking. What's up, guys? Q here. Quick video break. Want to give a shout out to another supporter, my man F150 Ecoboost. Man, so he actually has his own YouTube channel, and if you're interested in a lot of like how-to videos with your F150 and stuff like that, definitely check him out. Here's a video of him doing his conversion to the LED strip, which I think is gorgeous, man. So if you're interested in stuff like this, definitely go follow him, F150 Ecoboost on YouTube. All right, guys, so red passed inspection, man. Oh, I was worried, dude. But honestly, man, some shops don't even look at tint, others do. It's funny, a guy in there actually got turned away because his headlight wasn't working. Like I said, tint is not a huge thing. The truck runs fine, emissions are good, everything is fine, it's not throwing any codes. So yeah, she passed. I was just talking to Justin, and I am thinking about stripping the tint, man. And he actually recommended me do it myself. I might do that as a project myself. Strip the tint, both sides, and just go back and do 20%. Back in the day, I used to be okay with this, but now just for some reason, I just don't feel like going through the hassle. And technically, I won't have to go through any hassle because I'm good for another year. So I could just wait it out, but just driving around now, man, I'm just kind of uncomfortable in my truck, like just cruising, because I'm just worried about freaking cops.
Trying to break loose, I'm about to light the fuse. I just need me a cup, I'ma pour me the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice.